Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic from Class 7 Science, motion and its types. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what motion is, what rest is, and the different types of motion with easy examples. So let's get started. What is motion? Look around you. Can you see cars moving, birds flying, fans rotating? All these objects are in motion. Motion is the change in position of an object with respect to time. In simple words, if an object changes its place over time, it is said to be in motion. Example: a moving bus, a rolling ball, hands of a clock. Rest and reference point. Now let's understand an important idea. Reference point. Suppose you are sitting inside a moving bus. You are at rest with respect to the bus, but you are in motion with respect to a person standing on the road. So remember, motion and rest depend on the reference point. Types of motion. Now let's discuss the different types of motion. 1. Rectilinear motion. When an object moves in a straight line path, it is called rectilinear motion. Examples: a train moving on a straight track, a car moving on a straight road, a stone falling straight down. 2. Circular motion. When an object moves along a circular path, it is said to be in circular motion. Examples: blades of a ceiling fan, hands of a clock, a stone tied to a string and rotated in a circle. 3. Periodic motion. If an object repeats its motion after equal intervals of time, it is called periodic motion. Examples: swinging of a pendulum, movement of Earth around the sun, hands of a clock. 4. Rotational motion. When an object rotates around a fixed axis, it shows rotational motion. Examples: spinning top rotation of Earth on its axis, ceiling fan rotating. 5. Oscillatory motion. When an object moves to and fro about a mean position, it is called oscillatory motion. Examples: a swing, a simple pendulum, a vibrating guitar string. Oscillatory motion is a type of periodic motion. Uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, when an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Example: a car moving at constant speed on a straight road. Non-uniform motion, when an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Example: a bus moving in city traffic. Quick recap. Let's quickly revise. Motion means change in position with time. Motion depends on reference point. Types of motion include rectilinear circular, periodic rotational, oscillatory uniform, and non-uniform.